It's a question that's been on a lot of parents' minds. What will school look like when classes resume this fall? Well, they'll get a better answer on Wednesday when Governor Beshear rolls out the Healthy at School guidelines during his afternoon briefing. But as LEX 18's Mike Valenti explains, we already know one thing: masks will be a part of the plan.
As was the case in March when the classroom shifted to Zoom, school officials once again find themselves trying to navigate uncharted waters.
None of this is easy at all. I hear that, and I won't say I feel your pain. I have no idea what your pain is, but I do recognize that there is some. But we have a deadly virus that we have very little tools in our toolbox that we can use.
Department of Public Health Deputy Commissioner Dr. Connie White says one of those tools is requiring students and staff to wear masks inside the school building, especially when physical distancing is not possible.
We have to work around the virus. It won't work around us.
In a virtual meeting with superintendents Monday, Dr. White and Interim Education Commissioner Kevin Brown outlined several recommendations for school districts, including the taking of temperatures every morning. But White said wearing masks may be the best way to mitigate the spread of the virus. The General Counsel for the Department of Education is advising superintendents to develop a clear policy for how to respond when a student refuses to wear a mask, a situation that Brown called a conundrum for school leaders.
We don't have societal expectation of wearing a mask, unfortunately, and it's to some degree starting to become a divisive issue in our communities.
Brown floated the idea of launching a public health campaign, using positive pressure to urge kids to wear masks, perhaps through platforms like TikTok. A lot of the logistics for reopening are still being fleshed out, and the plans may differ by district. But it's clear no school will be immune from enacting a mask-wearing policy. In Lexington, Mike Valenti, LEX 18 News.
There will be exceptions to district mask policies for students who have heart conditions, asthma, or other underlying health conditions.